Welcome to homework number 14 for World Cultures 8. Ida B. Wells Barnett from 1862 to 1931. Please follow along as I read the passage out loud. Ida B. Wells Barnett was a woman who would not be stopped. This brave woman worked for equal rights her entire life. Ida's parents died when she was 16 years old. Ida decided to take care of herself and her 5 brothers and sisters by herself. She found a teaching job and made a home for her family. The laws at the time said that black people could not sit in the same sections of a train as white people. In 1884, Ida took a train trip and sat in the white people's train car. She would not move. 2 men dragged her out of the white people's car, so Ida sued the railroad and won. Ida lived in Memphis, Tennessee. She helped start a newspaper there. She was not afraid to say what she thought, writing stories in the paper about black people who were being attacked and killed. She told black people that they should move to the West, where it would be safer for them. Then, Ida had to move herself. People were angry about her writing, which put her in danger. A mob of angry people went to her office and broke in. They smashed furniture and tore up papers. Ida retreated to England, but not to hide. Instead, she gave many speeches about black people and how they were being treated in the United States. Later, she came home to America and kept writing and giving speeches. Nothing could stop her. Ida moved to Chicago, Illinois, and married a lawyer. They started another newspaper together. Ida also started a club for black women called the Alpha Suffrage Club. The club taught black women about their rights. The women studied government and how it worked, and they also worked to change the law so that women could vote. Women's groups from around the country went to Washington, D.C. in 1913. They marched in protest for the right to vote. Each group was supposed to march with other people from the same state, but Ida's group was told that they could not march with white women from Illinois. Instead, the black women were all told they had to march at the end of the parade. Ida refused. She marched with the Illinois group, walking between 2 white friends. Many newspapers ran the story about her brave stand. It was a symbolic choice for Ida, who worked for equal rights until she died in 1931. Only death stopped this amazing woman. Questions. Remember, you may press pause at any time to give yourself some time to answer. Press play when you're ready to begin. 1. Choose a good title for this story. A. The Woman Who Would Not Be Stopped. B. The Alpha Suffrage Club. Sorry about that. C. A Woman's Right to Vote. D. Newspaper Women of the 1800s. 2. What does the word mob mean in the story? A. A club for women. B. A group of angry people. C. A type of cap. D. A kind of school. 3. Number the following events in the order they happened. Ida starts a club for black women. Ida gives speeches in England. Ida marches for the vote in Washington, D.C. Ida becomes a teacher to take care of her brothers and sisters. Ida starts a newspaper in Memphis, Tennessee. Question 4. Answer the following questions. What did the Alpha Suffrage Club do? Who did Ida sue in 1884? Where did Ida go when her newspaper office was destroyed? How did Ida fight back when she was told to march at the end of the parade? Number 5. Why wouldn't Ida march at the end of the parade? She thought that black women and white women from each state should march together. B. She thought that no one would be able to see her if she was at the end. C. She did not want to march for women's right to vote. D. None of the above.